Alright, here we are with the first place where I make passive income. It's Amazon affiliate program, but I don't use it in the way that most people do, which is where they just post the link somewhere, hope people click on it, and buy something after clicking on it. This is Amazon product review affiliate program, so it's pretty different. I'll show you how to sign up. I'll show you how much money I'm making, show you the best way to do it to get conversions and make money. Just break down the entire thing here. And to get started, this is one of the most passive businesses I have. So like I said in the intro video, nothing's going to be 100% passive, right? You can't just log in, click a couple buttons, and expect to just print money every day or every month. You're going to have to put in some work. So I put in a good amount of work up front. Basically what this is if we come to an Amazon product page, you can see this is for a nightlight here. There's 6 videos right here. So I don't know if you've ever clicked on these, but the product has a video, and then there's related videos for this product. So you can see mine actually shows up right here. So when I'm in this program, I can, if I have the product, I can make a review on it and upload it, and it gets approved, and then it actually goes directly on their Amazon listing page. And if someone watches it for 30 seconds, I get credit if they buy it, and it's going to be between 2 and 4%, so not a ton. Coming back to my earnings, my income here, you can see I only made $7.63 yesterday. That's about an average day, like exactly an average day for me. But it's pretty great because, you know, I did like 100 video reviews over a year ago, and now I put in, I would say 15 minutes of work per week. Sometimes I don't do anything, and it's just basically if I pick up a new product, whether that's on Amazon or at the store, it could even be food products, anything that's on Amazon, you can do a quick video review of it and upload it, and it takes literally minutes. So what I do is I get my phone and I record me, you know, opening the product, talking about it for a minute and a half at least, and then I airdrop it to the computer, upload it, and it's done. That's all you have to do. It literally takes 15 minutes, probably even less, probably like 5 minutes to do a product review. And now I probably do 3 or 4 a month. I make $7.63 on average. This is a perfect example of an average day yesterday. And you can see like that Lyrid's light we were looking at. 3 people bought it and 3 were shipped out yesterday. That's when you get the income. So it's only $1.83. But hey, if you get $1.83 from one review every single day, that's like $600 a year you're making. And I have hundreds of reviews. You know, some of the most popular is going to be this pen review I did for Bic. You know, one sale is only 34 cents here, but another person bought a pen, 23 cents. So, you know, like 50 cents a day. I uploaded this video almost a year ago. I probably made over $200 on just that one video. So you never know what's going to take off. I'll show you guys what kind of products you should target and what to make videos on for the best conversion results. But first, let's look. I guess let's just go 7 days. So $51.31 in the last 7 days. So $7.63 is like exactly average, actually, almost. That's actually kind of crazy. But you can see I had a $13 day, I had an $11 day, and a $2 day. But over time, on average, it's about $7.63. So that's $240, $230 a month in passive income for something I probably work 30 minutes on a month now, maybe less than an hour. And up front, I probably put in about 15 hours of work doing a ton of reviews up front that are still making me money every single day passively that I did like a year ago now. So this has been a great business, find passive income source. So why did I decide to do a review on Lyrid's on this nightlight here? So first off, when you're looking for products, you got to make sure they have this video tab on their product page, or else your video may only show up down here, which still is okay, but we really want it to be at the top here because you're going to get a lot more views and conversions. And then also, if there already are 8 videos posted, that means their video queue on the product page is full. So you don't want to do anything that has 8 videos. I mean, it's still possible to get conversions, but it's better to have 7 videos or less. So that's the number one thing. Also, you're going to want to do something with a lot of reviews and a lot purchased in the last month. So 300 of these were bought in the last month, and maybe like 50 of them will watch my video and make a purchase. That's actually probably pretty high, probably too high of a percent, but you can see I had 3 in a day, so not too crazy to think I get 50 in a month. So definitely look at items that are getting bought a lot in the last month and a lot of reviews. This is a new product, didn't have a ton of reviews, and we'll come back to this in a second. But now let's go to my video page here. So you can see all the videos I've uploaded. It's over 100 at this point, and you want to make sure to make them at least a minute and a half long, and you want over 30-second average view duration. But to make $230 a month, I'm only getting 2,500 views in the last 30 days. So it's not like a crazy barrier to entry here where you need to get 10,000 views, 100,000 views to go viral like on YouTube or something. You can get it done with 2,500 views. So I'm probably just very on the tip of the iceberg. This could be taken a lot farther. I really do it passively. When you're looking for products to review, first off, I would just go look around your house, look them up on Amazon, see if they fit the mold that I talked about, and then go ahead and do them. But you can also just look for nightlights and look for ones that get bought a lot that don't have a lot of reviews. So I just typed in nightlight, first one here. It's only $7.99, which is not great. The other one that I did was selling for $20, so the commissions are like 3 times as much basically. But for this one, I would come here, 5,000 bought in the last month, which is great. And then also only 6 videos uploaded, which is good to see as well. So definitely a one that you could target there. I mean, another one you could target here. They only have 3 videos, so less competition. 400 bought in the last month, so definitely some deals definitely some good ones to look out for. As I'm clicking through to find these, kind of hard to find one that actually has 8 videos, so this is kind of a good niche to do reviews on. So lastly, why I wanted to use this as an example is because the real reason why I did this, it doesn't look great statistically, right? Only 60 reviews, 300 bought in the last month is good, not great. It's not really one I would go out of my way to target. But what happened was the marketing person who works for Lyrids reached out to me via email asking if I could do a review. They sent me the product for free and they PayPal'd me $40. So on top of this $230 I'm making a month, they also gave me $40. So I do about, I would say on average 1 or 2 of those a month. I get people reaching out all the time. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes they just want to send you the product and don't pay you at all. I've had people pay me like $10, and I think 40 is actually the most I've ever been paid for a review. But you also get free products like if you need something like this, so kind of cool as well. Coming back here, you can see my $51 broken down here. I mean, ideally you're going to want to review like this aquarium that sells for $70 because the commission income's way higher per sale. So ideally you're going to be reviewing higher priced items, but that means you're going to have to get your hands on higher priced items to actually review them. So basically the way to scale this business, which I don't do at all, is just go out and buy high priced items and review them, which is risky because if you're spending $80 on something, it's going to take a while for you to get your money back and then get in the profit unless you really need it as well. But I've seen people scale this kind of business by doing that. They go out and buy high price items on Amazon and review them to get higher commissions, and then over time it will pay off. But it's a little risky for me, and it's a lot more work to go out of your way to review items. Mostly I'm just at the store at Target and it's like, hey, I need pens, right? So I'm going to come over to Amazon on my phone to look at ballpoint pens, and I'm gonna look at like, okay, do I want to get these Papermate pens? There's only 298 reviews and only 1,000 bought in the last month. Or am I going to get these Pilot pens? 44,000 reviews, 20,000 bought in the last month. So if I make a video on this, assuming they have an empty video slot for that, there's going to be a lot higher conversions on that. So I do make some of my purchases based on that. And pens, as an example, like I said, that one Bic pen review I did has made me over $200 in less than a year. And if I went and bought something like this Papermate, maybe I had only made like $10 over the course of the year. So just everyday purchases, I think you can help you like scale a business like this. All right, so that's the first one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I'll have the links. Hopefully I can put them somewhere here to sign up for this, but if I'm not able to link it or something, just type in Amazon affiliate program with video reviews and you should be able to find it pretty easily, and you have to get approved for it and then you could start selling on here. So definitely a cool one, I think. Super passive income, and one that I enjoy. Think it's pretty cool.